Top 3 fruits you must eat every morning to detox your kidneys and combat CKD fast. Have you ever wondered what the secret is to healthy kidneys and overall well-being? Imagine waking up every morning with a burst of energy, feeling lighter, and knowing you're helping your kidneys detox naturally. Kidney disease, especially chronic kidney disease, CKD, affects millions of people worldwide, but did you know that certain fruits could help combat it and detox your kidneys faster than you can imagine? Stick with me for the next few minutes, because I'm about to reveal the top 3 fruits you must eat every morning to support your kidneys and keep them in optimal health. You're probably thinking, but I've heard about superfoods before. How are fruits going to make such a big difference? Well, let me tell you this. These fruits are packed with incredible nutrients that directly target kidney health, reduce inflammation, and promote detoxification. These aren't just any fruits, they are Mother Nature's kidney warriors. Imagine fighting off kidney disease, boosting your energy, and improving your overall health all by simply eating a fruit in the morning. The best part? It's simple, natural, and effective. So, stay with me till the end because I'm going to reveal these magical fruits and tell you exactly why they are so powerful for your kidneys. Let's begin with the first fruit that's essential for kidney detoxification: watermelon. Now, you might be thinking, watermelon? Really? Isn't it just a sweet summer treat? Well, yes, it's delicious, but watermelon offers so much more than just a refreshing taste. Watermelon is rich in water content, making it one of the best fruits for hydrating your body and kidneys. Hydration is key when it comes to kidney health, and watermelon is packed with water. About 90% of its content is water. This high water content helps flush out toxins and waste from the body, which is crucial for kidney detox. But that's not all. Watermelon is also a fantastic source of lycopene, an antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation. Chronic inflammation is one of the primary causes of kidney damage, so consuming watermelon regularly can actively work to prevent further damage and reduce the risks of CKD. Watermelon contains citrulline, an amino acid that boosts blood flow, which supports healthy kidney function by improving circulation and nutrient delivery to the kidneys. Imagine all the good things watermelon can do: hydrating, flushing toxins, reducing inflammation, and improving kidney function, all while tasting sweet and juicy. Here's the catch. The best time to eat watermelon is in the morning, on an empty stomach. When you eat it in the morning, it provides your kidneys with the hydration they need after a long night's sleep and supports your body's natural detox process. So, next time you grab breakfast, toss a few slices of watermelon on your plate, and start your day with this amazing kidney-boosting fruit. But wait, there's more. What if I told you that eating just one more fruit in the morning could have even more powerful effects on your kidney health? Get ready because this next fruit is absolutely mind-blowing. It's packed with nutrients that detox your kidneys, support their function, and even lower your risk of kidney disease. The second fruit you absolutely must start eating every morning is apples. You've probably heard the saying, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away," and when it comes to kidney health, this couldn't be more true. Apples are loaded with fiber, which plays a huge role in removing toxins from the body. The soluble fiber in apples, specifically pectin, helps bind toxins in the digestive system and removes them through waste. This cleansing action makes apples perfect for a morning detox, as they gently cleanse the kidneys by supporting the body's natural elimination process. But that's not all. Apples are also rich in antioxidants like quercetin and vitamin C, both of which have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. By reducing inflammation, apples help prevent kidney damage and lower the risk of developing kidney-related conditions. Apples also contain potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. High blood pressure is one of the main contributors to kidney disease, so keeping your blood pressure in check with apples can be a game-changer in protecting your kidneys. If you're looking to combat CKD and support your kidney detox every morning, eating an apple is a simple and effective way to get started. Try eating an apple first thing in the morning, preferably on an empty stomach, to give your body a natural kickstart and fuel your kidneys with the essential nutrients they need for optimal function. Can you imagine what would happen if you combined watermelon and apples together in your morning routine? Well, stay tuned, because I've got the third and final fruit for you, and when you add it to the mix, the results will be even more incredible. The third fruit you must eat every morning is none other than pineapple. This tropical fruit is not only delicious, but it's also packed with an enzyme called bromelain, which has anti-inflammatory and detoxifying properties. Bromelain is particularly helpful for people with kidney issues because it helps reduce swelling and inflammation in the kidneys, which is a common symptom of CKD. By reducing inflammation, pineapple helps to protect kidney tissues from further damage, making it a must-have fruit for those looking to combat CKD. Pineapple is also loaded with vitamin C, which is a potent antioxidant that strengthens the immune system and fights off free radicals that can damage kidney cells. What's more, pineapple is a rich source of manganese, a mineral that supports overall kidney health and helps the body absorb other vital nutrients more effectively. What's even more amazing is that pineapple helps with digestion, thanks to its natural enzymes. If your kidneys are struggling with waste elimination, eating pineapple can help by improving digestion and supporting your body's detoxification process. Eating pineapple in the morning ensures your body starts the day off with a natural detox boost, supporting kidney health right from the get-go. Now that you've learned about watermelon, apples, and pineapple, you may be wondering, how can I make sure I'm getting all of these amazing fruits into my morning routine? Well, here's a simple tip. Combine all 3 fruits into a delicious and refreshing fruit salad. Imagine a bowl of fresh, hydrating watermelon, crunchy apple slices, and sweet pineapple chunks, ready to start your day with a detoxifying punch. And let me tell you, these fruits don't just work in isolation, they work synergistically to cleanse your kidneys, combat CKD, and support your overall health. The combination of antioxidants, vitamins, fiber, and water content in these fruits is exactly what your kidneys need to stay in peak condition. To recap, by eating watermelon, apples, and pineapple every morning, you're giving your kidneys the nourishment they need to detox, fight inflammation, and protect against chronic kidney disease. These fruits are natural powerhouses that support kidney function, lower blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and promote the elimination of toxins. Start adding them to your morning routine and experience the transformation in your kidney health, energy levels, and overall well-being. So, what are you waiting for? Make these fruits a part of your daily routine and take control of your kidney health today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more health tips, and share this video with someone who could benefit from it. Together, let's help each other live healthier, happier lives.